Hey, Misty with Behold Crafty Creations. Today we're going to continue with the lemon decor. And we're going to, let's see, I think that one's too big. I did the wrong one. Alright, and we're going to do some place settings. So I've got a salad plate and a regular plate from Dollar Tree. And then the lemon napkins that we used in the previous video. So what you're going to do is pull apart the back of the napkin and pull the white piece off. And you're going to do that on both. Let me see if I can get this. There we go. Get a hold of it and then kind of hold it and tear it back so you don't tear your napkin. And then we're going to use some Mod Podge. We're going to put in the center circle.
Are you sure that wasn't Izzy?
And just kind of smooth it around and get any creases out. And then you're going to place the little cutout napkin on top and just smooth it with your fingers. And try not to get any wrinkles in it. And then I'm going to let that dry for a second while I do the other one. Then we're going to Mod Podge the top of it as well. So we're going to do the bigger plate here. So now we're going to put that on. And then smooth that around with your fingers as well. Try not to get any wrinkles in it. And then we're going to let that one dry and go over the top with the Mod Podge. But it makes a cute little lemon plate. And while we wait on that, we're going to create some napkin rings. I made these white napkins and then I used my Cricut and put some lemons on there for some really cute napkins for the table. But right now we're going to make little napkin rings, and I took some silver napkin rings from Dollar Tree and then I spray painted it yellow. So then I have made these jewels. You can see that. Made these jewels, and we're going to put that on top here to make it really pretty. And these are for sale on my website, and they come in packs of 5 and 10, and I've got all different shapes and sizes. I'll show you a different. So you got all these like this. They're really cute, and they jazz up any decor. I have butterflies. I got all kinds. So you'll get 5 or 10 in a pack, and you'll get some different ones. So we're going to take and we're going to use a hot glue gun, and we're just going to throw some hot glue on here. And then we're going to press the little jewel down on it and let that dry. And look how cute that napkin ring is. And then we're going to let that dry, and then we'll place the napkins. So now I'm going to go over the top of these with a little bit of Mod Podge to seal that in and make it, and it will dry clear. And then we'll have our own little place setting for the table. Because I've done my dining room and lemons, and then I did my kitchen and Pioneer Woman, so we're going to be doing a lot of mock-ups to that. So that's how that plate turned out. And then we're going to do the same with the bigger plate. And then I will take pictures of the place setting when I get it all set up. I did get some lemon glasses as well from the Dollar Tree. So that's going to turn out really cute. I'm going to love it. So that is the bigger plate. Now we're going to fold this napkin
Can we just admire how precious this is?
and show you the little napkin ring.
Oh.
I'm not sure. Might want to fold this long ways. Corner to corner.
Do you want this vacuum? Do you have this vacuum one? I don't think so.
It's going to be a cute little setting.
Here's not my favorite, but it's a good one. It's like a glittery.
And however you want to do your napkins for your
I have this one.
table setting, it's your preference.
Wait, I gotta get that.
Just don't want to pop my jewel off. Oops. All the way through. But you get the idea. So you have your cute little napkin with your napkin ring. So be sure to like and share the video and be on the lookout and go to the website for different little projects. We're going to be selling project kits for weekly kits. So be on the lookout for that, and let's get to crafting. Talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.